Zacchaeus, he is persistent to see Jesus Christ in that time. Why? Because the narrative tells us that Zacchaeus climbed a sycamore tree just to see Jesus. He do everything that he can to see Jesus Christ in the crowd. Zacchaeus refused to let the press, no? Kaning press mga igsunan, describe siya the obstacles, no? This was, it is mean that the press is the obstacle of the crowd. Obstacle siya ni Zacchaeus, ang the crowd, because he is unable to see Jesus. Dili siya able na mulantaw ni Jesus Christ because of the crowd. Or his own small stature, no tungod sa iyang kamubo, dili siya makita ni Ginoong Jesus because of his small stature. Tungod sa iyang kamubo, dili siya makita ug tungod pod sa crowd. So it hinders him. He searched for Jesus according to Luke chapter 9 verse 3. He climbed the sycamore tree because he felt a longing for a better